Our business is Willie's Cleaning Service, LLC. We offer standard janitorial solutions, and we also offer natural cleaning solutions that I can customize. We took over this business from my father, Willie Scott, in November of 2015 when he retired from the business. He started the business in the 90s, and then he formally incorporated in 2004, 2005. I love that we are carrying out my father's legacy and that he can see us grow and continue on what he began years ago. I am proud to do something that I enjoy, and I know my husband enjoys it too. It's more than a job for us. This is our dream. Sounds crazy, but this is what we really want to do. Well, everybody's looking for someone who's reputable, and everyone values honesty, and they need meaningful connections, and we want it as well. So trust builds the link between two people to have a successful relationship. Everybody who has a business or is looking for a service wants to make sure that who they're hiring and prospects are reputable businesses, and they have authenticity, the validity, and accountability, and that's what Better Business Bureau stands for. It's for the consumer and it's for business owners. BBB also offers support. They have webinars and different events that if there's some more training that you need for your business, you can watch it on your own time. If you have other things that you're doing, operating your business during the day, they offer support for the business owner, support for the customer, and you can make good connections here. Even one time we had someone that we thought was a scam, and you're who we contacted first, and you guided us through that as well.